A warm welcome to all our TVET lecturers. I'm Prashant Ramdas from Macmillan, and today I will tell you about the exciting new NQF Level 3 course called IT and Computer Science with specialization in programming and robotics. The course was launched at NQF Level 2 in January 2023. In January 2024, the Level 3 subjects for this NCV course begin. The three subjects at this level are Introduction to Robotics, Electronics and Digital Concepts for Robotics, and Introduction to Technical Programming, which is the subject I'm focusing on in this video. You will need the latest textbooks to teach the correct content and prepare students for exams. The logo New Curriculum 2024 tells you that this is the correct book. Later in this video, I will show you why our DHET approved TVET First Students Book and Lecturer's Guide are your first choice for easily teaching this brand new curriculum. Right now, let's concentrate on knowing the curriculum. The aim of the subject is to give students a solid foundation in logical thinking and problem solving so that they can develop stepwise coding solutions. In the subject, students learn about the integrated hardware and software components of computer systems and how to use these components to solve everyday problems. Technical programming leans towards the design and creation of programs that enable physical computing. Physical computing involves interactive systems that can sense and respond to the world around them. In Level 3, students will build on cognitive and practical skills they gained in Level 2. Students who learn programming become skilled in problem solving, design, and critical thinking. They learn the value of breaking a large problem into smaller sub-problems, and they learn how to apply solutions they have learned previously to solve new problems. The field of programming rests on two kinds of knowledge: program generation and program comprehension. Program generation requires a student to analyze a problem, produce a suitable algorithm, and translate the algorithm into a program code. For program comprehension, the student has to analyze existing programs to show that they understand how the program works and how the program will respond with output based on the input provided. Topic 1 covers computer hardware and software. This topic provides a thorough understanding of basic hardware and of the system software and application software that allow a computer to run. At Level 3, students also learn how to work with the Linux shell. Topic 2 deals with problem solving in computer programming. Students learn problem solving techniques and tools. These techniques are language agnostic, which means that they will work no matter which programming language is used. The topic also introduces students to the concept of an algorithm, which is a generic set of steps to solve a problem. Once the student has created solutions in the form of algorithms, such as pseudocode and flowcharts, they will transfer and recode the algorithms to a block-based programming language in Topic 3, and then to a high-level programming language in Topics 7 to 9. Topic 3 covers concepts of programming for single-board microprocessors or microcontrollers. In this topic, students will learn about physical computing and input-output on the Arduino Uno microprocessor board. The first part of the topic covers the layout of the Arduino Uno board and the functions of all the Arduino pins. The second part of this topic covers a visual approach to problem solving and programming. At Level 2, students learn to use the block-based language Scratch. At Level 3, they work with block-based programming language compatible with Arduino, such as MBlock or ArduBlock, and they also code projects to solve physical computing problems using the Arduino Uno board. This topic links to Topic 5 of the Introduction to Robotics NQF Level 3 curriculum. Topic 4 is called Programming Tools and Utilities. This topic introduces the essential tools and utilities needed to write applications such as the compilers, IDEs, and debuggers. Students also learn about the tools they need for version control and to work with a team on a software project. Topics 5 to 12 are grouped together as solutions developments and incorporate the introduction of high-level programming languages. At level 2, students worked with the Python programming language. At level 3, students will work with C and C++ programming languages. Topic 5 provides an introduction to these languages. Topic 6 covers data types, variables, and outputs. Topic 7 covers interactive input, constants, mathematical functions, and errors. Topic 8 tackles selection control structures. Topic 9 covers repetition control structures. Topic 10 covers modularization and functions. Topic 11 deals with arrays, and Topic 12 introduces object-oriented programming using C++. This subject is offered full-time over 2 semesters spanning 24 weeks, excluding assessment. This is equivalent to 2 double periods of ± 1 hour 50 minutes plus 1 single period of ± 50 minutes for each of the 24 weeks. This amounts to about 4.5 hours per week, or 56 hours. The 56 hours are broken down as follows. 36 hours are instructor-led contact hours, which also include practical sessions, and 18 hours are instructor-led contact hours dedicated to practical tutorials on computers. In addition, a further 10 hours per term, equivalent to about 1.5 hours per week, are required for students to practice on their own to reinforce practical skills. These 10 hours should be accommodated in labs, which the college should provide for students to use. You will need the resources that the curriculum requires for all 3 levels. These include a fully equipped computer laboratory with mid-range networked computers, a high-quality printer, and internet access. You will also need robotic kits and electronic equipment. The curriculum will be assessed through 2 components: an internal assessment of 50% made up of only the ICAS, and an external assessment of 50% made up of the ISAT, which counts 15%, and the external examination, which counts 35%. The task quantity weighting of ICAS is made up as follows. There are 2 tests that count 10% each, making up 20% in total. There are 2 practical assessments of 25% each, making up 50% in total. And the last 30% is made up by the internal examination. Now let's look at the external assessment weighting. The tables explain both paper 1, which is theory-based, and paper 2, which is practical. This table shows how the cognitive levels for examination assessment will be distributed. Cognitive level 1, knowledge and remembering, has been allocated 30% in paper 1 and 40% in paper 2. Cognitive level 2, understanding and applying, has been allocated 40% in paper 1 and 40% in paper 2. And cognitive level 3, analyzing, evaluating, and creating, has been allocated 30% in paper 1 and 20% in paper 2. For a demanding subject like this one, TVET FIRST is an excellent choice. The authors of our Introduction to Technical Programming NQF Level 3 Students Book are experienced TVET lecturers and national markers, as well as provincial and national world skills experts in computing. The TVET FIRST Students Book is fully aligned with the 2024 curriculum and prepares students for success in the exams. Clear explanations guide students through the curriculum. Plenty of full-color screenshots, photographs, and diagrams support the text and make the learning experience fun and interesting. The book employs a step-by-step approach to teach problem solving. The student book includes varied activities to help students consolidate their knowledge through practice. Summaries and exam-type summative assessments at the end of each module are excellent tools for revision and exam preparation. The student's book also contains all the required practicals for the subject. TVET FIRST has a whole lecturer's pack which includes both the lecturer's guide and a USB with year planning documents, study notes for students, and PowerPoint slide presentations for all the topics in the student's book. The lecturer's guide itself has information, guidelines, and resources for lecturers, including comprehensive answers, links to online materials, photocopiable lesson plan templates, and a 40-week teaching plan. TVET FIRST textbooks are approved by the DHET and trusted by lecturers. For the best results, trust TVET FIRST.